What's going on, everybody? Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports here, and today I'm going to bring you a quick video on fixing an issue where your F-150's windows might be rolling up and retracting, or basically doing a bounce back where it closes and then just opens slightly at the top no matter how many times you pull on the trigger. So real quick, I'll show you the issue on this truck and then I'll show you how easy it is to fix it. Now, I've already corrected the issue on this truck, but to simulate the problem for you guys, basically when you grab the driver's side switch, it's going to roll up to the top and it'll actually make it to the top of the window frame, but then once it hits, it'll immediately retract back down and pause right about here, leaving a gap. And no matter how many times you roll it down and all the way back up, it continues to bounce back and leave that gap. So let me show you how easy it is to fix this. Go ahead and hop in your truck, turn the key to accessory or hit the engine start button so that way you have accessory power. Then we're going to press down on the switch so that way the window retracts all the way into the door. And once it's seated, you're going to toggle the switch up. And as the window starts auto rolling towards the top, you want to get ready because once it reaches the full upright position before it bounces back, you want to pull on that trigger again and hold it for 2 to 3 seconds, then release. Now, after you've done that, it'll typically bounce back down and that's fine. Then you just want to grab the trigger one more time, hold it for 2 to 3 seconds. It'll roll up and that should fix the problem for you. Now, this worked first time for me, but if it doesn't work first try, go ahead and repeat the steps, roll the window down, and then toggle this twice for 2 to 3 seconds, and you should be good to go. So hopefully this helps you guys out. For those of you who are curious why this happens so you can avoid having the problem in the future, it seems to be directly tied to having a low charge in your battery. So if you do have an older battery that's wearing out, that might be giving you issues here. Or in our case, we actually disconnected the battery to work on some wiring. And I think as we were testing the lights and cycling things on and off and reconnecting it, it may have triggered an error in the computer that created this problem. Those are all things to keep in mind, but as you saw, it's not too tricky to fix. And I think this will work on other Ford vehicles outside of the F-150. I just haven't encountered it on any other vehicles except for this truck. So as always, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this was helpful for you and I will see you next time.